Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to share this easy fix if you're playing this Fall Guys in PS5 and if you're not able to invite your friend. For example, my friends and all is online but it is not showing here, and even right whoever is online I'm trying to send the invite, it is failing. I mean there is no error message also. Simply the invite button got refreshed but there is no invite. So also you can see this. So I have connected my internet switch as well. So here this person is online but it is not showing here. So even right, if I'm sending this invite from this console, I'm tapping invite is not received in PS5. So I'm going to tell the easy solutions. What you need to do is you need to install PS4 version of Fall Guys. For example, going to home screen, already I have downloaded the PS4 version as well, so it's up to 4 GB. If you are playing PS5 version, do not play it because it is not working properly. If it is a PS4, it is working fine. So I'm going to close this. Close the game. You can install it through PlayStation Store or you can select the version here. You can select the version whether PS5 or PS4. So I'm going to choose this PS4. So now play the game. PS4 version is opened. Now I'm going to tap this friends list. So here you can see this. See? Here the username glitch and all is not here. So here you can see this Nintendo Switch user as well. So I'm going to send the invite. Gonna tap invite. This guy should be receiving. Invite is sent. See, invitation is received. So I need to join. So now party is created and both are joined. This is the easiest to fix. And party voice chat also working. Whenever I'm talking, you can see this. You need to enable the voice chat. So this is the easiest to fix in PS5 console. Just install PS4 version in PS5 console. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in media form. Thank you. Bye and take care.